How to download older versions of any Android apps. So if you want to download older versions of any Android apps, then let's get started. First, open your browser. I'll go with the Chrome browser. Then go to up2down.com. Once you search for up2down, here you will have this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go and search for any app that you're comfortable with. You will find any application that you're comfortable with. So for example, I'll go with Facebook. I want to download an older version of Facebook. So I'll just simply search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, you'll have the application right here. So you need to scroll down, and as you can see that you'll have an option of older versions. You need to tap on older versions, and here if you scroll down again, then you will have a lot of older versions right here. So as you can see that you will have it for Android 9, Android 8, Android 11, and you need to scroll down, go with more, and here you will have all of the older versions. So in this way, you'll be able to download any older version. To select any version that you're comfortable with or that you would like to download, and then scroll down again, and here you will have download option. Tap on download and it will be downloaded. That's how you can download older versions of any Android apps. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.